Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampingwithamore. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Also, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up because it really helps my channel. So thank you very much for that. I really appreciate it. All right, I am doing more of a boy treat holder today, but it could be for girls too because girls like sports as well. But look at how cute this is. It's holding 3 Hershey's Nuggets. I kept it very, I didn't put any bows or anything like this. I planned on cutting these shorter, but because I'm going to have to take them off and show you, and it's a little bit tricky to get it back on, I left them a little bit longer, but I would cut them a little bit shorter. And I'll do that after we get it all together. But isn't it cute? Oh my gosh, I love this bundle. The bundle that I'm using is called Your Biggest Fan. And I did share this in my haul when I did the haul. I love this. My grandson's a huge sports fan. And I thought it would be really cute also for Father's Day. And it says Most Valuable Dad. And also if you have a husband or a son that's a coach, I thought that'd be really cute. My son coached football for my grandson. And then these are the dies. I already pulled out the dies we're going to use, but look at these dies. Look at this huge ticket. These are also tickets. This one, this larger one, you can cut out the designer series paper with this. It's got the big pennant. It's got a smaller pennant, which I took out already, and the little flags that go on the back of the pennant. I didn't use that one for the small one because I just used it plain, but it's got a number 1, some little stars, and then these little little arrows, and I'm not really sure how to use these. I haven't even taken them out of here yet, but oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love this. This actually comes in a full suite, and I'm going to grab my catalog because I want to show you this full suite. Look at this. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is so cute. This is the full suite right here. It's called Hey Sports Fan. And you get the designer series paper, the little stars, you get the baker's twine that I used to close this box up, and then you get the bundle. And it's super, super cute. I actually bought this whole suite because I loved it so much. I hardly ever see like sports things in here, so I was super, super happy to see that. We have some for boys, but look at the cards that they made. Aren't they adorable? I cannot wait to make a card with this. So cute. All right, so this is what I'm sharing today, and I would cut these a little bit shorter because I like them shorter, but because I have to take this off to show you, I left them long because they're a little bit hard when they're short to get it back together. So I just hooked these in here. And you're just going to pull it off like that. But I did cover the Hershey's Nuggets with some designer series paper. So cute. And then, of course, the front. And I did use the little stars on here. And so I just did these in a little loop. And then I just hook them back in here. This is a little tricky, so hopefully I can get it in here on the first try. To get all 3 of them through is a little tricky. So let's see if I can do it here without messing it up. All right, I think I did fine. Let's grab that other one. They want to come through the other side is why I'm saying it's a little tricky. So, and then I just string these through. That's why I left this long. But I would cut these shorter once you have them all on here. And I didn't get it through one of these. You might want to do one at a time. It seems like that's a little bit easier. All right, so then you just pull them through like that. And then I would clip them a little bit shorter. But they're really cute. All right, so let's get started with this. It's really easy. So what you're going to need for this, let me grab all my pieces here. For the box, you're going to need a piece that is 3.5 by 4. And this is very vanilla, by the way, because it matches the designer, or the paper, the designer series paper. This is 1 by 3 to cover my nuggets that we have. Then for the outside part, you're going to need a piece that is 2 inches by 8 3/4. To mat it, 2 pieces that are 1 7/8 by 3 7/8. A piece of scrap crushed curry, and a piece of scrap Poppy Parade. This is Poppy Parade, not real red. And then a piece of basic white to stamp with. And I think that's everything. So let's go ahead and stamp first. So I'm going to use for this Night of Navy. And I'm going to just stamp the Happy Birthday because we're going to cut out some pieces here. So I'm going to do the Happy Birthday. And then we need to cut the pennant out, the tickets. So this is what I'm going to use for that. I think I'm going to cut this smaller so we could do these all at one time. And then we are going to cut a piece of the Designer Series paper. So this is the paper here. The paper is called Hey Sports Fan. I was looking for this earlier, this 1x3 piece, but I found it. I am going to actually use this Best Day Ever. I'm going to just cut it out here because you can cut out all of these. I'm going to spare the other ones so I can use the other ones. But I like that sentiment. They're all really cute, but since it's for a birthday, I wanted to use this one. You can also, with that bigger die, you can cut out these pieces, you can cut out these, you can cut out this, also comes with that bigger piece, but you can cut out all these pieces on this one. And then it's got that just Night of Navy on the back. But this paper is so cute. All of it, patterns are so cute in it. So that is what we're using. So let's bring up the cut and emboss. These are the pieces that I am using. I'm going to cut that out of there, this, and then I'm going to do the pennant, and then I'm going to use this one again, is going to be for the Happy Birthday. All right, let's bring that up here and I'll get these all cut out. I just got new plates, by the way, so they just came today. So I'm super happy about that. We'll have to run this other one through by itself. This would have been the perfect time to bring out my little mini. I haven't had that out for a while. It would run these through really easily. So here's our little tickets. They're actually perforated. Isn't that so cute? You can even, you know, make it more three-dimensional when you put it on if you want. I just laid mine flat. And then here's our birthday ticket here. Our Happy Birthday. So cute. And then we're going to do this one. So I'm just going to line that up. It fits exactly on that. Hopefully I can get it straight. And there's our little Best Day Ever. All right. So we have that. We have our little tickets, our little pennant. I'm going to bring this Night of Navy out again because I just want to stamp these little stars on the pennant here. And then we can set those aside and we can make our box here. So I'm going to use these and this. And let's score these first. So we're going to score this on the 4-inch side at 1/2 and 3.5. So it's 1/2 on each end. And then you're going to turn it and you're going to score it at 1/2. 1, 2.5, and 3. That's for your box, and then we're going to just go ahead and score this as well. So you're only scoring this on the 8 3/4 inch side, and you're going to score it at 4 and 4 3/4, and that's it. Okay, so let's cut the box part. What you're going to do is cut this corner off, and then you're going to cut down this way. Cut all these corners off. All the corners are going to come off. These are our little glue tabs here, and then do the same on this side. Cut your little corner off. Box is really easy, y'all. And that is all to that. So there you have it. I hope you can see that. Yeah, there you go. It's a good view. And then this one, you are just going to fold on the score lines. We need to mat these, so I'm going to use some Stamp and Seal for that. We're going to mat these. You can mat it with whatever you want. The paper is so cute. There's so many different designs. So I'm going to mat this. Now we're going to do the other side too. I just decided to mat both, but if you want to just mat one side and make it easy, these would be really cute, like for your kids' birthdays to take to school. Just make sure you don't put nuts in it. I always remind you that. I have a nephew that is allergic to nuts, so I think about that every time you put something in for school. Then we're going to use our tag topper punch. This one is, I can't remember this one. This one's not the Delightful. This is the other one. I'll put it in the video here. I always forget the names of these. I love the tag toppers. Never get old. They never get old. All right, so this is the top of our box. Now let's fold this all up. We have to do all our score marks here. And then I'm going to use Stamp and Seal Plus on my little tabs, but you can use wet glue, you can use tear and tape. I'm just making this quicker and easier for the video. And then you're just going to pull these up like that. And I just like this to keep them in a little bit nicer. So that's what we're using for that. I'm going to grab my Hershey's Nuggets here, and we're going to just cover those. I always put plenty of adhesive on these because I don't like when they start coming off. It just really messes up your cute little box if they start unwinding. So I always use a lot. Sometimes I even use tear and tape on them. It depends. All right, so we're going to set these in here. And they fit in there just right. And then I'm going to just flip this over. I'm using the Stamp and Seal Plus for this part because I want this to stay on here on the inside. And you just want to make sure that it's even on both sides here, on both sides. And then just push that down. And then you have your little box right there. I'm going to grab the baker's twine here. We're going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to cut these long enough so I can get these through easier. I'm going to cut 3 equal parts. The first time I did the baker's twine, I tied a bow with the red and white striped one, but then I decided not to tie a bow since it's for a boy. It could be for a girl as well because girls are into sports too. Their dad's coach, and I mean, it's just that I hardly ever do anything masculine or boy type, except for the one that I did on Sunday, the little truck. If you didn't see that, you have to go check it out because it's so cute. That could be for a boy or a girl. That little truck was so cute. Alright, so we got these all. Make sure you get them all looped around your finger so you can get it through all 3 of these. And then you're just going to pull it through, just like that. And I am going to cut these shorter because I like it a little bit shorter. I think they're cuter shorter. Alright, so now let's put on our pieces here. So I'm going to use some Stampin' Seal here. Put down our little tickets. And I'm using dimensionals as well for this. So I'm going to put this one flat, the ticket. And then I'm popping up this one that says Best Day Ever. I'm going to get better at this masculine thing. I keep saying that every year, and it's just so hard for me, but I am really going to try to get better at that. I'm going to do the pennant here. I made that a little bit too long. Cut that. I try to use the ends as much as I can. I don't like to waste that. We're going to put that there. And then I'm going to grab the little stars. Look how cute these stars are. Aren't they adorable? This is going to be cute for 4th of July too. So I'm going to get my little piercer, and we're going to put a star here, and then I'm going to do a Night of Navy, and then I think I'm going to do a Evening Evergreen one down here, like that. Oops. Uh-oh, maybe it's not a good idea to cut these too short. That just came undone. Maybe I didn't pull it tight enough. Yeah, I think I just didn't pull it tight enough. If you want to tie a bow around it, like just use the red and white to tie a bow around it and tighten it, you can do that as well. So I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. If you need any supplies, this is my January host code. And you can shop right from my blog at stampingwithamore.com. I hope you all have a blessed one, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye, everyone.